Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Authenticator with Twitter. Okay, now the first thing I want to do is apologize to you for not doing a screen recorded video. And the reason for that is Google Authenticator blocks out screen recording. So what I want you to do is go to your device where you have Twitter, slide here to the left, okay, scroll down, go to settings and support, click on settings and privacy, and I want you to come here and click on security and account access. Okay, click on this first option, security, and then we can come here and click on a two-factor authentication. And here I just want you to toggle on authentication app. There you go. We just need to go ahead and enter our password. Now it is asking us to verify whether or not it was us. We sent a code to my email. So I'll just go ahead and confirm this code. Okay, now we can get started. Okay, can use the Google Authenticator. Click here on Get Started. There we go. Now click on Link App, right? And we are able to link with our Google Authenticator. You can just click here. Or if you have it on another device, you can just click Link on another device. Basically the second option. So I'll just click on the second option. Okay, and I'll just come here and scan this QR code. So we'll come back to this phone. Click on the plus icon at the bottom right, click on scan a QR code, and let's go ahead and scan that. And there you go. We have our Twitter connected, and it's really that easy and simple.